Good morning, Bug. Where are we?
Mommy. At the zoo.
Where are we?
We're at the zoo, Mommy.
What? They are. They're stinky, huh? Fooey smell. Those are big birds over there. Yeah, look at the duckies.
Yeah, duck. That's a duck. What did that say?
Oh, that's an owl.
An owl?
Owl. I don't see an owl.
Where do you see an owl?
Right over there.
Oh, I just see lots of flamingos. Come on, boys. Let's go. Come on. Okay, hold my hand. We are at the Tyler Zoo today. Look at those cute little monkeys over there. What? Those are ginormous birds. I know, they're so cute. It is such a pretty day. It's just water. It's muddy from the rain. Look at the duckies out there. Do you see the duckies? Do you see the ducks, Ian? Yeah.
Hey guys.
Those are so big, huh? Look at how big these birds are. Oh, they're fighting. Oh my goodness. What's on their noses? Their beaks. They've got those weird things on their beaks. They are.
I want to see them go swimming.
They look like they're just sunbathing right now. There they are. Do you see the meerkat? It's a turtle. It's a tortoise. It's a desert tortoise.
It's a tortoise.
Yeah.
too much.
Oh, you have it on your stick. Yeah, you think you have food. Oh, good.
Today, we are at the zoo and me and Zoe are doing something and it's called the Pause Challenge. You guys have been asking us to do it and we are gonna do it today. There's a rhino! There it is. There's a rhino. It's right there. Yeah. Okay, Zoe, pause. Okay, bye. I'll leave you to yourself now. Okay, unpause. I want to see the cheetah. Where is it? It's over there still, right? I'm not. It's on my wrist. Okay, can I?
Sometimes it is.
Caitlin, pause.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Cheetah, cheetah.
Hey! I'm paused, I guess. Yeah. Where is it? Do you guys spot it?
Parker, what are you doing? Don't go inside of there.
I can't find it. Zoe, pause.
I see a mango.
Oh, there's the...
How do you feel?
horrible!
There's the flamingos down there. You can even see it.
Where is it?
Yeah, I don't see the cheetah.
Where are you?
It might be in the house. Okay, I'm paused. Hey, Caitlin. What?
Come on, let's go look at the other
Why do you have that accent? I don't know. No, you can't do that. Yeah. You're paused. I can do whatever I want to you. No, you can't do that. You can't move the camera hand.
I don't know.
You can't move the camera hand. Stop. Okay, Zoe, I need to tell you something. It's not pause, okay? Okay. So come here. Zoe, look at the pretty flowers.
Keep on down.
Come here. Look at the pretty flowers. Pause.
Is that your camera?
No.
Come on, guys, come on.
Where's Kira? There she is.
Hey, girl.
Okay, you can unpause. Well, I'm guessing we did it. Bye.
Go find a goat. Oh, look! fun at the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did y'all have fun at the zoo? Parker, did you have fun at the zoo?
Yeah, my ball.
Okay, well now we are at soccer practice. And we've got Zoe. Did you have fun at the zoo? Yeah? Get the tablet. Now we're gonna go have some soccer fun. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about this field situation. There's like someone right in the middle of my field. It's not, but we always practice here and no one's ever here when we're practicing. So it's a little annoying, you know, when there's someone else practicing. But it is what it is. Anyway, soccer time.